பொன்மணி அன்போடு காதலன் நான் எழுதும் கடிதமே. பொன்மணி உன் வீட்டில் சௌக்கியமா, நான் இங்கு சௌக்கியமே. உன்னை எண்ணி பார்க்கையில் கவிதை கொட்டுது, அதை எழுத நினைக்கையில் வார்த்தை முட்டுது. ஓஹோ கண்மணி அன்போடு காதலன் நான் எழுதும் கடிதமே. பொன்மணி உன் வீட்டில் சௌக்கியமா, நான் இங்கு சௌக்கியமே. உன்னை எண்ணி பார்க்கையில் கவிதை கொட்டுது, அதை எழுத நினைக்கையில் வார்த்தை முட்டுது. உண்டான காயம் எங்கும் தன்னாலே மாறி போன மாயம் என்ன பொன்மானே பொன்மானே. என்ன காயமான போதும் என் மேனி தாங்கிக் கொள்ள முந்தன் மேனி தாங்காது சென்றேனே. எந்தன் காதல் என்னவென்று சொல்லாமல் ஏங்க ஏங்க அழுகை வந்தது. எந்தன் சோகம் உன்னை தாக்கும் என்றென்னும் போது வந்த அழுகை நின்றது. மனிதர் உணர்ந்து கொள்ள இது மனித காதல் அல்ல, அதையும் தாண்டி புனிதமானது. அபிராமியே தாளாட்டும் சாமியே நான் தான் தெரியுமா. சிவகாமியே சிவனில் நீயும் பாதியே, அதுவும் உனக்கு புரியுமா. சுபலாலி லாலியே லாலி லாலியே, அபிராமி லாலியே லாலி லாலியே. ஓஹோ கண்மணி அன்போடு காதலன் நான் எழுதும் கடிதமே. பொன்மணி உன் வீட்டில் சௌக்கியமா, நான் இங்கு சௌக்கியமே. உன்னை எண்ணி பார்க்கையில் கவிதை கொட்டுது, அதை எழுத நினைக்கையில் வார்த்தை முட்டுது. ஓஹோ லால லா 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 la 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 la.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Outstanding, outstanding, Tushi. Amazing, amazing singing. I think this is also Tamil song.
Yes.
A.R. Rahman or someone else?
No, this is I think Ilayaraja.
Ilayaraja, oh, beautiful song. Beautifully sung. You have got such melodious voice.
Thank you so much. I was actually at a loud music place and I was yelling, so my voice is a bit not so good.
No. We can't hear. We couldn't hear anything else apart from your
okay.
song.
No, I was at a beach, so it was noisy.
Oh, okay.
Loud music, so I was like talking constantly, so there was a slight pain, so but then
Acha, okay,
somehow
got
I
it.
managed.
Got it. But it came out very well.
Thank you.
Joyita?
I loved it. It was very nice. What is the meaning of the song?
It's actually it's very trending these days in India. Hope some of y'all might know Manjumel Boys. I think it's a Kerala movie. It was featured again. This is a very old 80s song, I guess. But then it was again featured in the movie, and it's very, very famous right now.
Oh, okay.
So I thought I'll just sing that.
I loved it. It was wonderful. Your voice is so soothing. So the little nuances, I loved it.
Thank you so much.
Poonam?
Yeah, Dushi, I do not understand the language, but all the voice notes, everything, like I think pitch perfect. Or Ilayaraja ka gana apne attempt kiya, it's like big thing itself. So, full round of applause for you.
Thank you
Amazing.
so much.
Yeah, Mr. Kyomas. Just lift this, please lift this.
Yes, yes. I could make out this is Tamil because I live in South India since 1990.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
yes, it was beautiful and you sang it beautifully. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Rajat.
And of course, the lyrics weren't understood, but then again, the melody was very much felt by the heart. Awesome, awesome, very well sung.
Thank you so much.
Kavita.
Like very good, Dushi, very nice. Like but like everybody say, we cannot understand the language, but we can certainly relate with the music because of A.R. Rahman. And it was like immediately Rajesh said, maybe from A.R. Rahman. I was also thinking maybe his
No, this is Ilayaraja. She says Ilayaraja. He
Yeah,
is also an
Ilayaraja.
amazing,
But she said,
amazing
like before,
music director.
but when I was listening, I thought maybe something from A.R. Rahman, because the music,
Okay.
the tone we understand certainly, and you sang it really very well, very melodious. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Manish ji.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. You have a very nice voice, very melodious voice, and even not able to understand the lyrics, but we were able to understand the feelings, the way you were singing it, how close it could be to your heart. And I must say that you must have heard the name Chitra from
Yes.
South. She sings. Your voice is quite near to that.
Oh my God. Thank
Very
you so much.
literally.
Beautiful.
And if you practice more, then you could be a very professional singer one day. So very
Thank you
nice.
so much.
Thank you.
Thanks
Thank
for
you so
sharing.
much, Dushi. Beautiful.
Thank
Thank you.
you.